In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your HostGator email settings so that your emails use Gmail's servers, a convenient way to enhance your email capabilities with Google's robust framework. First things first, let's begin by logging into your HostGator cPanel. This is where you can manage all the important technical aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, keep an eye out for the section labeled Email. This section is crucial as it handles all your email functionalities. Within this section, you'll want to find either the MX entry or zone editor. Both of these are tools designed to manage your MX records, but the one available to you might depend on your specific setup. Now that you've accessed the MX records section, it's time to locate your domain. You'll see a list of domains you manage. Identify the one you wish to update. This next step is where the magic happens. We are going to modify your MX records, which essentially tell other email servers where to send your emails. Let's change the MX records to point toward Gmail's reliable servers. You'll start with aspmx.google.com, assign it priority 1, then proceed with the subsequent servers, alt1.aspmx.l.google.com and alt2.aspmx.l.google.com, both with a priority of 5. Next are alt3 and alt4.aspmx.l.google.com, each with a priority of 10. These records need to be entered precisely as they indicate the exact path your emails will take, so double check for any typos before proceeding. Once all the entries are correctly made, save these changes. It's like hitting the save button on a document, essential for ensuring all your hard work doesn't disappear. After saving, a great next step is to log into your Google Workspace or Gmail account to verify everything is in order. Here, you want to make sure your emails are routing through as expected. A final point to be aware of, and it's essential, is that DNS propagation isn't instant. It can take up to 48 hours for these changes to spread across the internet, so a little patience is required. During this time, your email functionality should continue without issue, but the full switch of servers might not be immediate. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've smoothly transitioned your HostGator email to use the comprehensive Gmail servers. This setup can greatly enhance your email experience with improved reliability and integration features. Just remember, if you encounter any issues, revisiting each step and checking that everything is correctly entered is always a good strategy. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy your enhanced emailing capabilities.